In this video, we're counting down the top 5 most luxurious limousines ever built, ranked from number 5 to the unbelievable number 1. We'll cover prices, features, and exact length. Buckle up, because number 1 is almost 100 feet long and even comes with a helipad. Let's begin. Number 5. Lincoln Town Car Stretch Limo. Length 30 feet. Price around $180,000. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the classic American icon, the Lincoln Town Car Stretch Limousine. This limo may look traditional from the outside, but inside, it defines timeless luxury. Stretching to 30 feet, it's a favorite for weddings, red carpet events, and VIP airport transfers across the United States. Features: plush leather seating for up to 10 passengers, LED mood lighting across the ceiling, minibar with chilled storage, premium surround sound system, privacy partition between driver and passengers. What makes this limo special is reliability. It's smooth, quiet, and built for comfort rather than excess. For many, this is the first step into the world of limousine luxury. Classic, elegant, American. Number 4. Hummer H2 Ultra Stretch Limo. Length 35 feet. Price around $300,000. At number 4, things get bold, very bold. The Hummer H2 Ultra Stretch Limousine brings SUV power and nightclub energy into one massive vehicle. At 35 feet long, this limo is impossible to ignore. This is the ultimate party limo, designed for celebrities, athletes, and wild nights out in Las Vegas or Miami. Features: neon and fiber optic lighting, club-style leather wraparound seating, built-in dance floor, multiple flat-screen TVs, champagne bar and ice coolers, powerful sound system with subwoofers. The Hummer limo isn't about subtlety, it's about presence. When this limo pulls up, everyone looks. Number 3. Chrysler 300 Super Stretch Limo. Length 40 feet. Price around $400,000. Coming in at number 3 is the sleek and modern Chrysler 300 Super Stretch Limousine, stretching an impressive 40 feet. This limo blends luxury with aggressive styling, making it a top choice for CEOs, diplomats, and high-end corporate events. Features: hand-stitched leather seating, crystal fiber optic ceiling, built-in bar with glass holders, smart climate control zones, touchscreen entertainment system, soundproof privacy glass. This limousine focuses on refinement. It's quiet, smooth, and powerful, perfect for those who want luxury without excess flash. Number 2. The American Dream Limo. Length 100 feet. Price over $3 million. Things get absolutely insane. The legendary American Dream Limousine stretches to an unbelievable 100 feet, making it one of the longest road-legal vehicles ever built. This limo is less of a car and more of a moving luxury complex. Features: multiple lounge sections, jacuzzi with temperature control, king-size bedroom, full bathroom with shower, mini golf putting area, swimming pool with diving board, LED lighting throughout, multiple bars and entertainment zones. This limo was built to shock the world, and it succeeded. But believe it or not, number 1 goes even further. Number 1. The ultimate luxury mega stretch limo with helipad. Length almost 100 feet. Price estimated $5 million plus. Taking the number 1 spot is the most extreme limousine ever imagined. A nearly 100-foot-long, ultra-luxury, mega-stretch limousine with a helipad. Yes, a helipad on top of a limousine. This vehicle redefines the meaning of excess and innovation. Designed for billionaires, royalty, and elite global leaders, this limo is a combination of luxury car, private jet, and mobile palace. Features: reinforced rooftop helipad for lightweight helicopters, bulletproof armored body, private master bedroom with luxury bedding, conference room with video walls, VIP lounge with panoramic glass, high-end bar and dining area, advanced suspension system for stability, satellite communication and security systems. This limo isn't just transportation, it's power on wheels. It allows its owner to land a helicopter, step inside, and continue business or relaxation without ever stopping. At nearly 100 feet long, this is the ultimate symbol of wealth, technology, and status. So there you have it, the top 5 most luxurious limousines in the world. From classic elegance to absolute madness on wheels. From a 30-foot luxury sedan to a nearly 100-foot mobile palace with a helipad, these limousines prove one thing: for the ultra-rich, luxury has no limits. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below which limousine blew your mind the most.